I'm not understanding something or they don't make sense. So this is the gutter. Sorry, right there. There's one of your hangers. That's definitely in there correctly as far as the gutter going into the hanger. And then this is a piece of, just a remnant of the gutter guard, which you can see it was designed to just slide over the gutter and snap on like that. It looks really good. But the way they got this thing set up is that your gutter guards are supposed to go onto these pieces here, and they don't actually snap into them either. It's kind of loose in there. And I guess they did that so that it's up above and you don't have to worry about trying to trim the, the gutter guards. I don't know. I don't really know why they did it that way, but this is the way it should be. Sliding onto the gutter. It's on there nice. And this is the way they got it designed, which, leaves that gap. I just don't like it at all, the way they did it. It also, this one, it's bows it a little bit more, so the water should go through these holes, where on this one, I don't know if you can tell, but like here, the water's going to puddle up right in this corner here. And by the time it gets backed up enough, to go in to the mesh, it could actually come over the top. And then I see it dripping onto the gutters and coming over the side. It just seems like a really stupid design for, the fact that someone actually designed this. I mean, it just seems stupid. So anyway, that's it.